I travel a lot, and when I go away and leave my workshop, my poor old machine sits there gathering dust. Sometimes I throw an old sheet over it. And I thought, what I really need is a sewing machine cover. And in fact, all of you should be covering your sewing machines, because dust and fluff and small children, and indeed partners, are very good at playing with the knobs and twiddling with things. A sewing machine cover would keep the machine nice and covered up, protect it, keep it warm on cold winter nights, and keep it cool on hot summer days. And if you leave a hole, you can have the handle poking through the hole. Now, when I came to design this, as with doing anything perhaps of such a large nature involving a big piece of fabric, it's not a bad idea to make a mock-up in, say, a thin, cheap material like calico. So I actually made a mock-up. But this is the finished thing. So how did I make my sewing machine cover?